You still mad that they don't have bird races? Remember the other day you said, yeah, you were like, if they had bird races, you'd be the first place. How do they have bird races? Where are you gonna? You're gonna have a flying race? No, you can't do that. No, we're gonna watch the horses race. What's your favorite number? Yeah? So you're gonna root for number what? 24? What color? What color of the number? Red, blue, green, purple? And if they had bird races, what would you do? Would you run on the ground or would you fly? Fly? Where are you going to fly to? How long would it be? I mean, that's